Good morning. Good morning, guys. So it is Monday. It is about 9:16 a.m. And I sent my good morning messages and texts, messages out to my team around like 8:30-ish. Right now, I am making Princess some of her mini pancakes, and then I'll go ahead and get started into the
He want the scoop, she want the tea, she want the tea. I cannot speak, we keep it in street, we keep it in street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat, you still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap, it never been cheap.
I'll get some. I'll just put a little bit. That's the life of being a mom. All right, so right now, going into the chart, let's look at our overall time frame, as y'all already know. Looking at the day chart, it's the overall uptrend. And we're gonna look at the 4 hour. 4 hours also an uptrend, is going into an uptrend. Look at the hour, also an uptrend. So overall, since we see an uptrend, ding, 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 what type of opportunity are we looking for? A buy. Granted, you can be looking for a sell, but I don't like trading against the trend. In my journey of trading Forex, anytime I trade against the trend, it always bites me in the butt, literally, every single time. So I've already tried working against the trend with my strategy, and it does not work. So if you are one of those traders, to teach his own, but my strategy only works completely with trading with the trend. Seriously. All right. So we're about to go to our 15-minute because that's our entry. See what. So we got some good movement going. So it looks as though it's in the 700s right now, 797 to be exact. So sometimes I like to go back, guys. If I see that there's not the candles that I'm looking for, I like to go back in time to find where the market was once at during the 700s. So as y'all can see, y'all see here, this is where it was previously. And y'all see that there's a lot more candles within this area. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to add some more of my support and my resistant lines here, just so that I can get like a really good, precise price entry. So we already know that the market ultimately has already shot up to the 800s. So I'm going to go in for 23,810, as you guys can see. And then I'm going to go in for my TP at 826. Okay, so go to market execution, go to buy stop. We're going to do 23,810 to 23,826. So that's where we're going to go. I'm going to go ahead and send to my chat trading signal group. Go ahead and send it out. So it's crazy how last week we was in the 400s, guys. Now we're in the 800s. So it like literally doubled over the weekend times 2. So we did 23,810. We're gonna do 23,826 and then 23,8 because I did see another opportunity at 836. All right, we're going to send that out to them. I'm going to go back. So my trade has already been active, as you guys can see. And this is on my CoinEx account. So I am going to go in at 826, even though it's just like a couple of pips. I'm going to go in for 826 and then go up to 836 just so that I can get that. As y'all can see here, it's already going up. And it's really about to hit my TP, as y'all can see. Okay, bam. So we got that out the way. We're going to go ahead and go to our account on Hola Prime. Y'all know that's the main one. So right now, you guys can see Hola Prime has basically confirmed that my TP is going to hit on CoinEx. Therefore, since it's already at 837 on Hola Prime, ideally, I was going to copy and paste, right? However, it's already past what I've already sent out. So, with that being said, what I have to do is create my support and resistance lines. So, by doing that, I'm looking for my horizontal line. And I'm just trying to find opportunity, guys. Simple as that. All right. I'm just going to go back into time and see when was the last time that Hola Prime has been in the 800s. So right now it's at 847. I was just trying to get it closer to the wicks, but we'll just keep it at there. I'll do another horizontal line. This, I wanted to do it exactly by the wick, by the flat tops. As y'all can see, I wanted it right there. And right now the market is at 851. I'm gonna go ahead and put another right here. Where'd it go? Oh, why is it doing that? Okay. Alright, so we're right there. So we're gonna go for 872 to 895 because it has been up there in the past. With the momentum that NAS is doing right now, I am confident that it will go up. So I'm going to go to pending. No. Wait, hold on. Let me get this. Hold on. 23,872. 23,872. My TP is gonna be 23,895. 23,895. 23,895. All right. I'm going for buy. All right, as y'all can see here, we're gonna wait on here. So it hasn't been activated, but we'll come back to it. Of course, y'all already know that. So I'm actually about to get ready for Chris Brown concert. Woo woo. I'm indecisive between two freaking outfits, y'all. So The outfit that I do end up wearing, show your girl some love in my comment section on my Instagram. Yes, follow me on samarachienye. So let me show you guys. So just for transparency, we officially made it to $1,000 on COINEX. Today on COINEX we made 35 bucks. I'm happy. So period. So today with COINEX we made $35 and I'm happy. And y'all, we're at $1,005. Yes. So again, y'all, this is my smaller account. So I was able to basically compound it from $200 all the way up to $1,000. Really, it's just consistency and not over trading is the key to my success. But it literally took me a whole month to compound my $200 into $1,000, and I'm just so happy with the discipline that I continue to have, because now I just understand. So yeah, now with my, because let me show y'all. So basically with my NAS, it's still pending in my Hola Prime, but that's okay. We'll go back to it tomorrow and see if it was able to get activated. But we did hit on COINEX, so that's all that matters. So we'll try again tomorrow with Hola Prime and see. But yeah, I'm actually about to get ready for Chris Brown concert, like I already said. I'm super excited about that. And yeah, this week is going to be a great week, y'all. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. It's Tuesday. My voice is a little gone, y'all. Last night was chef's kiss. Chris Brown, you did your big one, which I already knew you was gonna do your big one. But y'all, a time was had. If you haven't seen the Chris Brown concert, Breezy Bowl, the ticket purchase is well worth it. Your coins will be well spent. Very great performance, 10 out of 10. Anywho, let's get into this market. Let's see if we can make some money and go from there. All right, y'all. So we're in the market. Oh, Jesus. Okay, let's see what the day chart is looking like. Uptrend still. Let's see about the 4-hour uptrend. 1 hour uptrend. Okay, 15. So it kind of went down. I'm going to go ahead and place another support resistant line here. And I'm actually, because it looks like the market is pushing itself down, but I'm going to go, because it's probably dealing with the news or something happened, most likely. So I'm going to go in for 23,749 to 765. 749 765. Check this out here. Oh my god, I'm so tired, y'all. Jeez. Okay, so going back, pending from yesterday, guys, from Hola Prime. So let's see here. So I'm not sure. So I'm not sure what happened actually. For some reason, we're in the negative. It never went to profit, as y'all can see here. So I'm not sure what happened, honestly, but we're about to go back. I'm actually going to close this because I'm not sure why that even happened. So we lost 4,000. Okay. That's okay. It's not that much. um, so we're gonna go back to NAS and see like what happened. Maybe the T, I don't know, but it was active, like if that makes sense. So since it's at 23,730 here, I'm actually going to do the same thing. Um, so I'm gonna go up to 35. So going up. All right, so we're gonna do 23, 7. What is it that I 23, 749, 23, 749. TP is going to be 23, 765. We'll go in for a pending order, so hopefully that goes well. It says that we'll make about $560, which is decent. I'll take that. So yeah, so we hit negative. What is it? So yeah, so we lost $5,000. But that's okay. I mean, this is a much larger account. As y'all can see, my equity is around 204,000, so it's fine. But yeah, we'll just come back to it. Back at it. So we made some good money. We made $15 on Coinex, and then we made $553 on NAS. Okay, so now we're like negative what 4,500 now, but that's okay. We're gonna get it there. I could have honestly did two trades of the same trade because I was really confident and I could have made $1,000, but you know, as I mentioned to you guys, it's very important to stick to your strategy. I don't over trade, so I just do one trade and go. I'm okay with that, honestly, because I know that in the long run, it's going to help me. Good morning. So it is Wednesday, guys. It is literally 9:06. So I've already sent out my good morning messages to my team, and now I'm about to go into the market. So let's get started. As y'all know, I like to start off with my MC4 account and then go to my Hola Prime account. All right, so guys, currently the market it has definitely done some movement overnight. It is actually now at 23,942 as we speak. It last, let's see, it did go all the way up to 2,400. So in my mind, that is giving me an idea that the market is capable of going into the next area zone, which is going to be 2,400 real soon. Okay. So basically what I'm going to do is I have 23,961. It's already completed, and I'm going to do 23,961 to 23,986. This is going to be a pending order, buy stop, because ultimately this is already a all right. So you could, I mean, we could go backwards and stuff like that, but guys, I've already had it there. And I mean, what the market's gonna end up doing is try to do a drawdown and then go back up. So it may take a little while today for it to actually. So right now, guys, I'm just hearting everybody's good morning. I'm gonna let them know how NAS right? I'm gonna go ahead and send them. So yeah, so yesterday, that's what I'm telling y'all. Yesterday we were at 23,749, and now it hit 2,400. It's crazy. Lots of movement going on. All right. And then from there, um, now I'm about to go to Hola Prime account. So we're here on Hola Prime. You already know what I gotta do. Look up NAS. All right. I'm gonna go to pending. I'm gonna do 35. Not 33, 23. 960. I'm gonna do a take profit. I'm gonna do a buy. 23, 986. All right, so it says that I'll make about $910. We're gonna take that because I honestly can do more, guys, but I am choosing not to, just because I like the 35. I don't like losing too much, but then I don't like making too much because I know how I am mentally. The psychology behind trading, make sure you have that down pat as far as like understanding, because I'm telling you, when you have your emotions tied up with this money, revenge trading is true. It's real. I've lost lots of money by revenge trading. Okay. But I'm just showing you guys, even though we did make a loss, which it was weird because technically we didn't really make a loss, but I don't know. Something happened. But that's okay. We don't revenge trade, right? Go ahead and place that buy stop. All right, so currently we are waiting for everything to just pretty much get hit, guys. So we have our pending order, as y'all can see here. Yeah, so we're just waiting now. See what the market's gonna do. Honestly, I feel confident, so I did my due diligence. I sent it out to everybody. I placed my trades. So we're going to see what the market does for us. So basically, it's 10 o'clock. It's Thursday. It's the last day to trade. I got into the market on my CoinEx account about 2 extra times. So yesterday's trade that we went in for, the market, which I already assumed it was going to happen, it always does that, was once it hits its highest point, it does like to draw back down. I mean, that's just what the market does. So basically what happened was it went down, and I did not I did hold it. I did not get out of it. I held because I was very confident that it was going to reverse back and go and return back to its highest high level. So what I am actually going to show you guys right now is basically this morning on my CoinEx account, your girl made a total of $60. Woo woo. So we are climbing up that ladder with CoinEx. So I'm super excited about that. So we did good, guys. So basically, I went in extra this morning at 9:52 to my TP being 970. I sent that out to my team. And then the one from yesterday, guys, I made about $23. So even though I believe I was in the negative like $80 when it did do a drawdown. And I just held it. I held it because I knew that it was going to reverse back. I just knew it. And it did. And so I was able to profit from that this morning. And then I also went back in when it was climbing back up to the 900s again. I did go in at 925 as my price entry point. And then I got out of it for my TP at 951. And I made about $26. So overall today I did pretty good. I'm actually going to go to my Hola Prime account to see what's it called, to see what what we did in that account. All right, guys, so we made about $726. So we made about this week was pretty good. We made about let's see here. So ideally we made about 726 plus 553. We made about $1,200, close to $1,300. That's not bad. That's actually not bad. So yeah, so we made $1,300 this week. Woo woo. From Hola Prime, and then we made, let's see, off of CoinEx. CoinEx, we did really good. I'm really proud. 192. Look at all that. We did our big one. We did our big one. Just want to show you guys how easy trading is. Like, if you just stick to one strategy, if you just stick to one pair, if you just if you're just very strict, like, this is like a weight loss plan, basically. Forex is like creating a plan for you to lose weight, or creating a budget plan. Like, that's how easy trading is. But you have to remain consistent. And if you need that accountability and consistency, come join the group, guys. Come join it. But other than that, thank you so much for tuning in to this little weekly vlog. Me and Samaya are actually going to San Francisco tomorrow. So we're going to pack up tonight and get situated and ready. So look out for that vlog of us going to San Francisco. Again, this is Samaya's first time taking a flight, and her first time going to California. So I'm super excited for her. I know she's probably going to be excited too, to see something new and different. But other than that, guys, much love. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, because it's what? It is free. And I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Bye.